Welcome to Tech Brothers with Ahmed. Today we are going to learn how to use expression task in SSIS. So if you are opening your bids and you are trying to find expression task, you will not be able to see that. The expression task was introduced in SSIS 2012 and it is available in 2014 as well. So if you do not have SSIS 2012 or 14, don't worry about that. The same things what we are doing here in expression task that we were doing before in SSIS 2005 and 2008. So how we were doing it and how this is helping us. So let's create a demo and see what exactly is the difference between an old and new way to do it. So create SSIS package. In this demo, what I will be doing, I will try to find the month name or month short name by using the expressions. SSIS do not provide month name or month short name functions, so we have to write the expressions. So let's consider you are using the old version and you are creating a new variable called month name. Once you have the month name, you want the data type to be string, as it will be same in January, February, March, and so on. So it has to be string. What we are doing in old version, or we go to the variable and press F4. That takes us to the properties of the variable. Then what we do, evaluate as expression to set to true, and then write the expressions on that variable. And it takes us to the expression builder where we write the expressions. So as we do not have the month name or month short name function in SSIS, we were writing something like this. We were having month number, and then manually evaluating that, saying if month number is equal to 1 and that's true, that's January. Else we were doing the same thing again. We were trying to get the month number and saying if month number is equal to 2, it is true. What you do, it is Feb, and then keep going. But I have written the expressions and we can use all the way to the December. Let's copy that and paste it in the expressions. Now if I will evaluate this expression, this is going to return me December because the today date is 26th December. So what exactly we have achieved with the new expression task? We were getting the month name here. How this is going to be helpful? So let's create another variable called month name expression. The same thing what we have done in our month name variable expressions, the same thing what we will be doing here. So we have to bring the expression task here, and we will be setting the value of a month name expression variable. So how we will be doing it? We will open and then bring the variable here, then put an equal sign, and then write all those expression what we have written for the previous month name variable. So these expression, whatever they will evaluate, whatever they will return, that value will be saved in the month name expression variable. So let's evaluate them. Evaluate expression. So what we are doing wrong here? So cancel this out, and then we see that month name expression, we didn't change the data type for that one. That has to have string, as we are same in month name. That's January, February, March, and whatnot. So let's go back to the expression task, bring the variable here is equal to, put this one, and then evaluate the expression. So it is returning us December. So what is the difference by doing the old way and the new way? Maybe when you have a big package and you have written a lot of variables and expression on them, it is not really visible. By using the expression task, it might be more visible. And then you can rename these tasks. Let's say we say get short month name, and if you come back tomorrow, you can see what flow you are following in this package. If a new developer is coming, he can follow the same flow and he can see the thing visually and see what expression you are evaluating first and how you are using in the next data flow task or connection managers or anywhere. Okay, so that's pretty much it for expression task, you can always use this expression task where you can concatenate multiple variables and save the value into new variable. And especially when we are moving files from one place and creating new names for the files or archiving files, and we want to build those connection strings, this can be used. But we had been doing this one by using the expressions on the top of variables, and this is no difference. But this put a new picture in front of us instead of the expressions are hidden on the variables. Thanks very much for watching this video, and I will see you in next video.